Last day, right?
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
We're gonna start working this summer, watch. See you when you get out.
Alright, see you when I get out.
They grow up so fast, don't they? Started freelancing full-time and being a content creator full-time in November of 2021, and so far it has been going pretty great, I think. But great doesn't mean that it's been smooth. Not at all. The reason I say things have been going pretty good is because I've gotten to real estate photography and it has gone amazingly. I actually got some work that I want to show you guys. Even though I'm getting the real estate work, I haven't been getting as much work as I need to sustain myself. Therefore, I've been doing other things to make ends meet. And yeah, this. Woo! How was the last day?
It was good. We watched movies all day. We had chips, we had juice, we had freeze pops. Oh my gosh, we had so much fun.
So as you could probably see from today's activities, being a freelancer hasn't worked out quite as good as I thought it would work out. See, things happen. And I've learned one thing during this time though. There are a lot of ways to make a little money at the same time. I was thinking that my business was gonna give me a lot of money at different times and I'll be okay. But what has actually turned out is I'm getting a little bit of money from a lot of different places and it's a hustle, but it's working. Just like me, I gotta do some house stuff. It's hot, it's a 100-degree day in Chicago, like sheesh. Like look at this. It literally looks like there's cotton balls all around this unit. It's disgusting. And I'm gonna have to clean that out. But let's get to it, cause it's too hot to not have good air conditioning. Oh, and check this out. There's a bird nest right there on top of my electrical unit. I wonder what kind of bird it is. We ain't got no hose though, you dig? We out here thumbing it. Okay, so what's happening is the cottony stuff is actually getting clumped up in the inside. So I think I have to take those panels off. That's gonna suck. All right, so I got the screws off so I can take off the panels. Hopefully this gives me more access to be able to clean it properly. Hey, look at this. All of this is built up. Now, hopefully that helps with the airflow problems. And just like that helps with the airflow problems, having multiple streams of income helps with money problems. Yeah, I didn't even know that I was gonna have multiple streams of income. I honestly just wanted to be able to get a couple of dollars here and there. But it turned into, I do real estate, I drive for Amazon, I drive for Uber, I have my freelance clients, and I might be getting a job at a dealership. So automotive photography, you know what's up. Make sure that you plan for the unexpected. And if it's unexpected, how can you plan for it? Just make sure that if what you're trying to do fails, you have plenty of things to fall back on. Me, I have a newer vehicle. I'm able to do ride sharing. It's not the money I want, it's not the career that I want, but it's helping me get there. Now I just have to put this thing back together. See if I get some cooler air, because this is killing your boy. Last but not least, have to put this back, because you know, without the breaker, won't come back on. With the modern wonders of my phone, I should be able to turn this back on. You hear that? Yeah! That's cool air. What? Handyman. So no matter what happens in your day-to-day when you're trying to become a full-time content creator, whether it be a YouTuber, a photographer, a cinematographer, whatever it may be, an accountant, I don't know, a nurse, but always remember that things are gonna happen and you need to have multiple streams of revenue. All right? Peace. Love you guys.